FAQs about Alternanthera snow queen. I've always found Alternanthera snow queen to be a fascinating plant to grow. Its unique variegation and colorful foliage make it a standout addition to any garden or landscape. If you're curious about this plant or want to learn more about how to care for it, this article answers some of the frequently asked questions about snow queen Alternanthera. See more 106 species in genus Alternanthera at monsteraholic.com. What is Alternanthera snow queen? Alternanthera snow queen is a stunning variety of Alternanthera known for its striking foliage. The leaves are a combination of white, green, and pink hues, creating a vibrant display. It's often used as ground cover or as an accent plant in garden beds and containers. Alternanthera snow queen thrives in warmer climates and adds a pop of color to both tropical and temperate landscapes. How do you care for Alternanthera snow queen? When it comes to Alternanthera snow queen care, it's relatively straightforward if you know what this plant needs. The first thing to consider is its light requirement. Snow queen Alternanthera thrives in full sun to partial shade. If you want the foliage colors to be at their best, placing it in full sun is key. However, too much harsh sunlight can sometimes cause leaf scorch, so a bit of shade during the hottest part of the day can be beneficial. Watering is another important factor. I've noticed that Alternanthera snow queen enjoys consistently moist soil, but you don't want it to sit in waterlogged conditions. Regular watering is needed, especially during hot weather, to keep it healthy and prevent wilting. For soil, snow queen Alternanthera prefers well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Fertilizing isn't mandatory, but if you want lush growth, a balanced fertilizer during the growing season can help. I've found that a slow-release fertilizer works well, providing the nutrients it needs without the risk of over-fertilizing. Pruning is a part of maintenance too. Regular trimming keeps the plant compact and encourages bushier growth. Don't be afraid to prune back if it gets leggy. It responds well to cutting, and I often trim mine throughout the growing season to keep it looking tidy. How do you propagate Alternanthera snow queen? Propagating Alternanthera snow queen is easier than you might think. The best way I've found to propagate it is through stem cuttings. Here's how you can do it. Take a cutting about 4 to 6 inches long from a healthy plant. Remove the lower leaves from the cutting, leaving a few at the top. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone to encourage faster root development. This is optional, but can help. Plant the cutting in a small pot filled with moist, well-draining soil. Keep the soil consistently moist and place the pot in a warm, bright location but out of direct sunlight. In a few weeks, you should see new growth, which means the cutting has taken root. I've had a lot of success with this method, and it's a simple way to multiply your snow queen Alternanthera. What can you plant with Alternanthera snow queen? The versatility of snow queen Alternanthera makes it easy to pair with other plants. I like to plant it alongside other low-growing tropical plants or as an edging plant in mixed borders. Its bright foliage contrasts beautifully with darker-leaved plants, like coleus or black mondo grass. You can also plant it with flowering plants like impatiens or begonias, which add a burst of color while complementing the snow queen's unique variegation. For container arrangements, Alternanthera snow queen works well with trailing plants like sweet potato vine or creeping jenny. These combinations create lush, cascading effects in pots and planters. Can Alternanthera snow queen be grown indoors? Yes, Alternanthera snow queen can be grown indoors, although it requires some attention to thrive in an indoor environment. Place it in a spot where it can receive bright, indirect light, as it needs enough light to maintain its vibrant foliage. Since indoor air can be dry, keep the humidity levels up by misting the plant regularly or placing a humidity tray nearby. Is Alternanthera snow queen toxic to pets? One question I've seen come up is whether Alternanthera snow queen is safe for pets. According to most sources, it's not considered highly toxic, but ingestion can still cause mild discomfort for pets. It's always a good idea to keep plants out of reach of curious pets just to be safe. How do you deal with pests and diseases on Alternanthera snow queen? While Alternanthera snow queen is generally a low-maintenance plant, it can occasionally attract pests like aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites. I recommend checking your plants regularly for signs of pests, such as sticky residue or webbing. If you spot any issues, treat them promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. As for diseases, root rot can occur if the soil stays too wet. To avoid this, ensure the soil drains well and avoid overwatering. Final thoughts. Growing Alternanthera Snow Queen has been a rewarding experience for me. Its colorful foliage and relatively easy care make it a great addition to any garden. Whether you're looking to brighten up a dull spot in your landscape or create a stunning container arrangement, Snow Queen Alternanthera is a versatile plant that delivers in beauty and performance. By following the care tips above, you'll have a thriving plant that's sure to turn heads in your garden.